I have a Dell Studio 1555 here. So what you can do is first remove the battery, then remove the cover. This is a base cover for the hard drive, the memory, and the Wi-Fi card. And the best thing about this one is we're gonna use this small parts organizer. I always use this so that I keep track of all the parts, and whenever I put everything in place, they always go back to their original spots. So what I do is I loop the tape and then I put it like that. This one, all the screws on the bottom chassis, I put it there. Make another one. Okay, let's go. Goes here. What you're going to do is just to map it. So, like for the first instance, I took out the screw from the bottom right corner here. So I also map it exactly corresponding to the position. There we go. Okay. This is the hard drive. Keep it safe there. Okay. Example, I put it over there. The most important part of this disassembly is you have to know where you took each and every part or each and every component. And whenever you reassemble everything, you have to put exactly all the parts back to the original spots. There you go. Got almost all the screws now. Oh, there's another one here. There's another one here. So there are 4 screws on the hard drive, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 screws total. I missed this screw here on the hard drive bay. That's right. Then you have to loosen up disconnect the Wi-Fi antennas here. Okay. There we go. That's it. And now you have to take out this keyboard bezel, this part here. What you can do is first loosen up the stuff here. Okay. Just be careful when you take it out, because sometimes this part here still got stuck here, so if you force it, you're gonna break the bezel. So now we're going to remove the keyboard. Now look at where I put the screws here. Let me move that part there. Okay. Now I took the screws from the keyboard and somewhere here, so I also map it accordingly. I take out one that is on the right side here. So that's it. Now I can remove this out. You have to loosen this lock here. So you just have to lift it, and then the keyboard loosens right away. This flat ribbon cable goes to the touchpad, so loosen it up too. There you go. Now we take out the video connector, as well as the one that goes for the camera. Okay. Now earlier we already loosened out the antenna wires, or the Wi-Fi connector. Take this out from this conduit here. Then all you have to do is there are two screws on each hinge. One. Oh, actually there's only one, sorry. One screw here, and then there's another screw here, so that you can remove the screen assembly. Oops. There we go. There's another, what is this here? Oh, this goes to the power button. This is for the power switch. Okay. There you go. Now we're going for the motherboard. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 screws that you have to remove. 10. There's 10. 1. Okay, put it there. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Oh, there's another one here. 10. And also you have to remove the speaker here. That's the speaker connector. I guess there's another one here. Okay. Sorry, I missed that part. There we go. Okay, so let's review. I'm gonna take this one here. Let's review it. Okay. If you take a look at the thing I created, this one goes for the front. Everything here. So like for example, this one goes here. The left most corner here, lower left corner, goes here. And the top right corner goes here. So, and vice versa. Okay, so we'll take it out. Now we can see everything right now. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create another tape. I'm going to loop it, and then the ends, tie the ends, and then there you go, put it here. Now we're going to do the motherboard. First is we're going to remove the screws here. It goes here. Goes here. Oh, okay. Take out the optical drive first. Okay. Don't force it because this goes all the way here. So what you're going to do is you have to loosen the motherboard first. Loosen up the motherboard so that you can okay. There's another one here. Believe me guys, if you just follow what I'm doing, you can open any motherboard, and then you will not have any issues putting it back. Okay. Now I'm gonna disconnect the connector for the USB. At the same time, the connector for the this here is the connector that goes to the DC power jack. This is a connector here that goes to the USB. I have to take this out here. This is for another speaker. This part here is for the other speaker. Then you can just take this out here. This is for the media storage. Okay. Okay, there you go. This is the motherboard, so this is self-explanatory. All you have to do is just take out the screws for the CPU and then CPU fan. Everything is there. So okay guys, again, just take note. All the screws are here. This part of the screws, this section here goes to the back of the chassis, the bottom chassis. This section here, the second tape, goes to the front, and this one goes to the motherboard. As you saw earlier, these 4 screws here goes to the storage device. This one goes to the optical drive, and the rest, the 6 anchor screws, goes to the motherboard. Okay, so that's about it. I will create another video for the removal of the LCD screen. So see you there guys.